Welcome to Life English. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Sarah. How are you, Daniel?
I'm okay, a little tired. I got home about an hour ago, and I just stood in my kitchen for about 3 minutes, just standing there.
Just standing?
Yes, just standing, looking at nothing. My brain just stopped.
I do that too. Sometimes I get home and I forget what I was going to do.
Exactly. You just stand there, waiting for your brain to start again.
End of day brain fog.
End of day brain fog. That's exactly what it is.
Well, if you're listening right now, maybe you feel the same way. Maybe you're tired too.
And that's okay. You don't need to understand every word we say.
You can just listen. Relax.
We're just going to talk about evenings, about being tired, about going home.
So let's begin. So, Daniel, you got home an hour ago. What did you do after you stopped standing in the kitchen?
After I stopped standing, I took off my shoes.
That's always the first thing.
Yes, I take off my shoes at the door and leave them there.
Me too. Taking off your shoes feels like the day is over.
It really does. It's like a small signal. Work is done.
That makes sense. A signal for your brain.
Yes, exactly.
What do you usually do next?
I put my bag down, usually by the door or on a chair.
You don't want to see it anymore.
No, I want to forget about it.
I understand. The bag has work inside it.
Yes, work and stress.
Out of sight, out of mind.
Exactly. Out of sight, out of mind.
Do you change your clothes when you get home?
Always. I change into something comfortable.
Comfortable clothes are important in the evening.
Very important. Usually soft pants and a t-shirt.
That sounds nice.
It makes a big difference. Work clothes feel tight and serious.
Yes. At home, I want to feel relaxed.
Free and relaxed.
Exactly. What do you usually change into?
Soft pants, maybe a sweater if it's cold.
A cozy sweater in the evening feels good.
It really does.
After you change, what do you do?
I sit down on the sofa, and I don't do anything for a few minutes.
You just sit.
Yes, I sit and breathe.
That sounds peaceful.
It is. The day is loud. The evening is quiet.
The quiet is important.
Very important.
I like to sit quietly too, just for a moment.
It helps your body relax.
And your mind too.
Exactly.
Do you check your phone when you get home?
I try not to, not right away.
Why's that?
Because when I look at my phone, my brain wakes up again.
Messages, news, everything.
Yes, too much.
I understand. Phones make it hard to relax.
So I leave it in my bag for a while.
That's a good habit.
I think so, even if it's just 30 minutes.
30 minutes of quiet.
Yes, just quiet.
What about dinner? Do you cook in the evening?
Usually, but I keep it simple.
Simple food is perfect when you're tired.
Exactly. Maybe pasta or rice with vegetables.
That sounds easy and good.
I don't have energy for complicated cooking.
Neither do I. In the evening, simple is best.
Simple food can still be delicious.
It really can. Where do you usually eat dinner?
Sometimes at the table, sometimes on the sofa.
The sofa is comfortable.
Very comfortable, especially after a long day.
Do you watch something while you eat?
Sometimes, something light, something familiar.
So you don't have to think.
Exactly. My brain is tired.
I like familiar shows too. They feel safe.
Familiar things are comforting.
Yes, very comforting. Do you clean up right after dinner?
I try to, but sometimes I leave it for later.
For the morning?
Yes, for the morning.
That's okay.
It is. We're tired.
We can't do everything.
That's true.
What do you do after dinner?
I relax. Maybe I read a little or listen to music.
Quiet activities.
Yes, calm activities.
The evening is for rest.
Exactly. The day had enough stress.
Do you talk to anyone in the evening?
Sometimes, a short call with a friend or family.
Short conversations are easier.
Yes, long conversations feel tiring.
I feel the same way.
Do you take a shower in the evening?
Usually, yes, before bed.
The warm water helps you relax.
It does. It feels like washing the day away.
That's a nice way to think about it.
After that, I feel ready for sleep.
What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 10:30 or 11.
That sounds good. Not too late.
Enough time to rest.
Do you prepare things for the next day?
A little. I prepare my bag and clothes.
That helps the morning feel easier.
Exactly. Morning brains are slow.
Evening brains can help morning brains.
That's true.
What's your favorite part of the evening?
When I turn off the lights and get into bed.
Everything feels quiet.
Yes, quiet and peaceful.
My favorite part is sitting down for the first time.
Stopping after a long day.
Exactly. Just stopping.
Evenings are important.
They really are.
They help us rest and recover.
And prepare for tomorrow.
We should be gentle with our evenings.
And gentle with ourselves.
After a long day, we deserve that.
We really do.
Thank you for talking with me, Daniel.
Thank you, Sarah. It was a nice conversation.
And thank you for listening.
You can listen again anytime. There's no rush.
Just calm English. Just listening. Just rest.
Take care of yourself.
Be gentle. Be patient.
We'll talk again soon.
Goodbye for now.
Goodbye.